Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here goes nothing. Whoa! Big loop. You ready? I'm gonna give you the task, okay? First, we're gonna charge this up, and then we're gonna put the monster truck inside. Whoa! Boom! Boom! Whoa! Boom! 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 Whoop! Whoop! He's gotta go in the slot.
I want to do it.
You wanna do it too? Go ahead.
Wait.
No, you gotta do the yellow one first.
No, make this like that.
Uh huh.
Make this like that.
Yeah.
Make this like that.
Uh huh.
Make this like that.
Yeah, now the yellow truck goes in. Put the yellow truck in the yellow car, orange car. Ready? I'll help you.
Wait, first. He's gonna do run.
But it's his turn first. Whoa, on top of me. Oh my God. You ready? Are you ready? Okay. Go. Whoa! Who's next? He's out. Max D's out. Oh! Come on back. Come on. No screaming. Go ahead. Ready, set, on your mark. Whoa! Uh-oh, he fell right there. Who's next? Gravedigger. Take him that way. Keep going. Whoa! There you go. Put him in the slot. I think the Gravedigger's gonna make it. Do you think the Gravedigger's gonna make it? Charge it up. Ready, Gravedigger? Whoa! He barely made it. Okay, he's out. Now you got the yellow and pink monster truck. You didn't even drive him. Drive him first. He's going on top of me. He's going around me. On top of my head. Okay. Put him on the table now.
He's going down.
Oh, he's going down. And he's back on the table. Whoa. Ready. Get him in the slot. Are you ready? Put him in there. Okay, go ahead. Charge him up.
This is down.
Keep going. There you go. He's charged up. Ready, set. Whoa! Who's next? The cars. I'll help you charge it up. Where is she going? She could drive through here. Whoa! Okay, I'll pass you. Go on the other side.
She's gonna go on your tummy.
Yeah, okay, go on my tummy. Oh my God, she's on my tummy right now. Go, keep going.
No, she's not.
Yeah, come around. She's going on the floor. Oh my God, she's going on the floor. Bring her up. Into the slot. And here she goes. There she is. No. Whoa, she's fast. Now you got this car left.
I want to do it.
Whoa, oh my God, she's gonna go on my back too? Oh my God. Come on. On my head, on my shoulder, on my arm, and onto the table. Oh, I'll connect her to the table.
She go fall down.
Oh my God, she fall down. Wow, pick her up. Help her up. Help her up. Watch your head here. I'll charge it for you. Whoa, there you go. Come on, bring her back. She's ready to go. She's the last one. Come on. Put her in the slot. Put her. Yay! She made it. Ready? It's already down. Already did it. Whoa! That's it. That's a good one. Give me a high five through the hoop. Up. Bye-bye.